All right, we are back out here at Fowler Park. Gerardo, our lead electrical engineer here at iVue Robotics, well, I guess here at Fowler Park, but representing iVue Robotics, is here with the Developer Mini. If we'll come over here, we're just letting the Developer Mini lock onto satellites. It already has the GPS home acquired, but we want to make sure we have as good of a satellite connection as possible as we are testing out a precision hold sensor mod kit that will also help enable softer landings as well. So one, you'll be able to hover a hold without using GPS and loiter flight mode, and then two, in flight modes where you're coming down for a landing, ought to just make it so you can't like bring it down at full speed as we've had some people do. So
I'll let you hold this for a second. Wait until we get a couple more
satellites.
It's
How
been
many?
a while since she's
We have 12 satellites, so I mean.
Okay, not bad. So we'll probably get to 15 in a moment.
I'd say,
it's been a while since we been out here. Hers, you know.
The horizontal drift, which I talked about in our most recent video, is at 1. So that means the vertical drift can be 2, which is in meters. So basically, just using the GPS, Developer Mini will hold its position within 1 meter horizontally and then 2 meters vertically. Now, typically in practice, it's quite a bit better than that using other sensors on board. But yeah, here we go. We just got 13 satellites with a 0.8 horizontal drift. So I think that's pretty good, 14 satellites. So.
Okay, if you want to, we're going to go ahead, bring it up. We're going to start the calibration.
And our dial is in the right spot?
That's correct.
All right, so.
Go ahead and start it up.
And can I be in loiter flight mode?
Go be in loiter. Loiter flight mode. We're gonna do that calibration that we did last time.
All right, I forgot how to do that, so you'll have to walk me through it.
Yeah, I'll show you. Just get it about
10 feet?
10 feet higher. No, a little, since we have the better LiDAR, we can go a little more higher than that.
We're gonna get high again? All right, nice.
Okay, and let's just see the performance on how it's doing just
with GPS?
GPS.
So yeah, it's drifting a little bit, but now it's pretty much just locked there in place. And it might have been climbing a little bit. The center stick on this controller, which is not on camera right now, is not self-centering in the way like a DJI controller is, or like a PlayStation or a game controller is. But now that I have it dialed in, it looks like it's just hovering right there in place.
Okay. And then I'm gonna flip your switch down and we're gonna start the calibration process.
And that's when I do a little forward, back, side sort of movement.
Yeah, exactly.
Do a little dance. Do a little dance.
Just
make a little
do it slow and then work your way up as far as like the jitterness of the speed.
Can do.
Okay. And I believe I'm gonna switch over here. I believe it's this one. Yeah, so go ahead. I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, looks like it's done there. I'm gonna take you out of the calibration. So.
Land?
No, you're good. We can do this all in flight.
Nice.
Now the question is, if I turn you back into airflow mode,
what's going to happen?
Is it going to put you in land mode? If it puts you in land mode,
still more configuration and troubleshooting.
My recommendation is I'm going to throw you back in GPS mode to avoid the crash.
All right. Well, even in land mode, I think we'll be fine. But let's.
Okay. So I'm going to turn this dial 90 degrees. Now you're using airflow. And
wow, look at that. Still.
Fly it around.
I just want to see how well it keeps that hover. I mean, that's
honestly, I think it
better than
yeah.
GPS.
That's pretty impressive, actually.
So it now still shows on my screen that we have a connection to 15 plus satellites.
Yeah, we're not going to lose the satellites, but
now it's just
prioritizing the airflow. Yeah, so now if we look in our messages, it's prioritizing.
iMue fusing optical flow. Yeah, wow.
Is that you coming down?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Look at that.
I mean, yeah, that's as smooth as you could hope for. And I mean, very responsive as far as stopping as well. Wow, that is honestly better than, I mean, you would hope, you know, because again, it is using GPS, I would imagine. Again, just not prioritizing it right now. Is that your understanding of how it works?
Yeah,
okay.
it's not using any GPS right now.
So it's not using any GPS. Okay,
No.
it's not even using it as like redundancy or like backup or.
I mean, it may have a parameter if you lose the hear flow for any particular
So auto
reason,
like switch over.
to auto switch over. Yep. But right now,
Yeah.
technically it's.
So what's the deal with taking off in this mode or flying indoors? That's still to be tested.
To be tested. Hopefully, it's as smooth as this.
So could we land it like this and then try taking off again? Just
Yeah, we should, in theory, be able to land. I don't know what the Loiter is gonna do, but we're about to figure out. Yeah.
This is a manual landing. That's how it's done, Mr. Engineer.
Motors disarmed.
All right. So let's try this again. We're gonna arm. Dun da da dun da da dun da da da.
Armed.
Oh my goodness, and armed just like that, or took off just like that.
I'm also gonna check some of the rangefinder messages. Just see.
Curious, even though you're not supposed to technically walk under. Okay,
wouldn't-
nothing happens.
Yeah, I wouldn't walk under it. Or you're gonna throw my rangefinder into a spiral.
What's up?
I said I wouldn't walk under it, and you're gonna confuse my rangefinder.
Well, that's what I was kind of wondering what would happen if the ground below it just like all of a sudden changed in altitude.
I think it still has a position,
Yeah.
so you know it's not going to. Yeah, it looks like it's still working. You're getting like 250 values as far as the rangefinder.
And away! And now this is not actually the max speed of Developer Mini. We have adjusted the parameters, so you can't actually fly it at max speed without going in and basically removing the limiter, the software limiter. Wow, what I hate from, the top cover. Yeah, it looks like the top cover did pop off a little bit. So
well, if we were flying with a GPS, guess what would have happened? Would have came down.
More than likely, yeah. And that's why we have multiple latches, people. Easy, easy. All right.
Motors disarmed.
Let me take a look at.
Just
It's just the radio wasn't really positioned in an ideal
It's
spot.
a little crowded now with the new stuff since I really haven't cut down on the
existing wiring.
yeah.
All right.
So it's
But yeah, that looks like it's performing nice and well. Do you want to go ahead and give it a shot, or?
yeah. Final last words, right?
Yeah. All right. So you arm it. I'm going to do a diving jump and roll over it. All right. On takeoff.
Let's not do that.
Motors armed.
It's coming right for us. Self-defense.
The most rookie drone flyer.
Other
Still
than-
trying to get there.
Other than Brian. I think Brian has literally pressed the land button like once or twice
Oh, has he?
between like Q ground control and the iVue RC app. I think that's the extent of his flying, of any drone, not just Developer.
It's just weird to get used to the invertedness of it.
Well, nothing's inverted. It's just
It's
the
just-
orientation.
yeah.
So like, yeah,
Like if
figuring
I'm
out
not
which way's
facing it,
forward.
Yeah.
You got to get good, you know, noob.
Yeah, exactly.
And Gerardo, you're the fucking gamer, dude. All these Fortnite skills don't translate to Developer
Not yet. I haven't figured out how to make
operations.
it.
No balls. All right.
Motors disarmed.
Anything else that you would like to test today? I mean,
Not today, but at some point, we're gonna fly it in his house.
We're gonna fly it. Well, not my house,
I
my
know,
parents'
I
house. I am poor, ladies and gentlemen, if that is not abundantly clear. No. Well, I think that's it for today. The last day of the year. What a successful way to end the year, having Develop Air Mini flying, keeping a stable hover, even without utilizing the GPS. And again, still more testing to do it indoors as well. But thanks for watching. Happy New Year to y'all, and you'll catch us next year. Peace.